Hi, my name is Kat Potts and I'm in the ensemble. I think it's very easy to connect with. I think we all feel a bit like Lola. I know that sounds cliche, but I think it's very relatable. Yeah, I mean, why not, you know? Yeah, I guess I've never thought about it. I'm an actor. Actors are pretty freakish. Yeah. I've never been to the circus, actually. So no. I mean, I think mosquitoes. Man, working with Hannah is kind of like a circus. All the people you meet. Yeah, that's a circus in itself. Clowning, definitely. I think it's super cool. Yeah, it's all very, it's so well done, and it's all very clean cut and very, it's very funny without being very layered. But at the same time, that makes it layered, if that makes sense. Yeah. INTP. I think. That was the last time I took it anyway. I don't know. Maybe I'm in ESFP by now. Who knows? I think I'd probably still get the same looks. But I'd have a beard. So... Not much, but the fact that there's one extra part of my face to wash and shampoo. Do I have to explain? Okay. Dark, daring, deep violet. That's 4. Sorry.